In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Hotkeys. If you've ever wished you could place orders or switch order types without hunting through menus, setting up hotkeys will make your trading workflow much faster and more consistent. I'll walk you through where to find the settings, how to assign keys, and a few practical tips so your shortcuts are reliable and easy to remember. Start by opening the main menu at the top of Sierra Chart and go to Global Settings. Then choose Customize Keyboard Shortcuts. This is the central place where you manage all keyboard assignments across the platform, so any changes you make here will apply globally. Inside the Keyboard Shortcuts window, locate the section labeled Custom Trading Keyboard Shortcuts. Expand it to reveal the trading actions available for shortcuts. You'll find entries for common actions like buy and sell, as well as different order types and related functions. Expanding this section helps you see exactly what's possible so you can prioritize the commands you use most during live trading. Next, select the specific shortcut you want to create or change by clicking on the command in the list. With the command highlighted, press the keys you want to use. You can combine regular keys with modifiers like Ctrl, Alt, and Shift to create a unique and memorable shortcut. For example, combining a letter with Ctrl or Alt often prevents accidental triggers and reduces conflicts with default system shortcuts. When you've pressed your desired combination, click Assign to link that key sequence to the selected trading action. You should see your chosen keys appear next to the command, confirming the assignment. A couple of quick best practices here. Pick combinations that are comfortable for your hand placement, especially if you need to act quickly. Group similar actions with similar patterns, like using Shift for more cautious variations. Also, avoid keys that your operating system or other applications commonly use to prevent unexpected behavior while trading. Continue this same process for any other trading actions you want to control with hotkeys. There's no need to rush. Thoughtful choices now will make your setup smooth and consistent later. If you change your mind, just select the command again, press a new key combination, and click Assign to update it. When you're finished assigning shortcuts, press OK to save and close the window. Your new hotkeys are now active across Sierra Chart. With these assignments in place, you can execute your trading actions quickly and confidently, keeping your focus on the chart and the market rather than on menus.